Hi everyone, I wanted to show you an improvement I made on the Voight KAMPFF machine. I had to remaster the body and a few parts, so instead of just remastering it the old way, I decided to take advantage of the fact that I was going to redo the body. So this time, it is a hollow fiberglass cast shell, no bottom, with a nice even thickness. This allows a much easier grinding out of this monitor panel. The light panels are much easier to access now. You can install your motors in here. Everything is free and clear. There's no grinding. So the bottom now is a separate laser cut part that just fits to the back. It's cut a little proud, which allows you to fit it right to the edges, or you can trim the edges and have it fit on the inside and maybe avoid this area. Just cut it here so it fits inside. You can do it any way you'd like, but you've got a nice access to the bottom. You can cut a square panel in this. You can attach this with magnets any way you'd like. So anyway, there is a major improvement to the Blade Runner Voight KAMPFF machine. Thanks for watching.